Legends of Learning presents the Decimal Saga game. This is a math game that makes learning about comparing decimals to the thousandths fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, do you want to embark on a thrilling journey? Help Rook and Sloth find the greatest treasure by participating in the Decimal Saga contest. This game is a true hero story, from 0 skills and 0 money to master of decimal comparison. Experience immersive minigames like Mini Farmer, Decimal Dominoes, and Comparison Labyrinth. Use the mouse to click on different objects to complete minigames comparing decimals. Use the arrow keys to move on the screen to complete math questions using inequality signs to complete the math problems. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.